नमो ताण्डवालास्य कर्तुभ्यां नमो शंकरा पार्वतीभ्यां च। Classical dances of India. After independence, the Gazetteer of India and the Constitution of India have recognized 7 classical dances as Indian classical dances, namely Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Kathak and Odissi. Bharatanatyam. Since ancient times, Natya has occupied a prominent place in India. It is also known as Fifth Veda or Natya Veda. The origin of dance can be traced back to Vedic times. Lord Brahma, the creator, borrowed literature from Rig Veda, Abhinaya from Yajurveda, music from Samaveda, and rasa from Atharvana Veda to create Natya Veda. All these necessary elements of dance were combined and composed by Lord Brahma, and Natya Shastra happened to come into existence. Sage Bharata learned this art from Brahma, exhibited it in front of Shiva, and learned Tandava from Tandu. Sage Bharata practiced and demonstrated these art and propagated it along with his 100 disciples and 24 celestial beings. As time passed by, the art of classical dance gave rise to many variations and adaptations according to the culture feature of the particular region where it was practiced. For example, classical dance form of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu is called Bharatanatyam, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam in Kerala, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Odissi in Orissa, Kathak in North India, and Manipuri in Manipur. After independence, all these art forms were included in the Gazetteer of India, and hence they are called National Classical Dances of India. The process of learning Bharatanatyam. To begin with, the salutation is taught. Therefore, various physical exercise and different kinds of adavus in 3 kalas are taught. As for adavus, first the movement of leg is taught, and then the mode of practicing by joining the various nrittahastas, eyes, head and neck movements are taught. The combination of such adavus is known as korvai. If the Tirmana adavu is set at the end of korvai, it becomes chati. Therefore, Allaripu, Chatishwaram, Shabdam, Padavarnam, Pada, Javli, Ashtapati, Tillana, Sloka and such other items are taught consecutively, which is known as Marga. Kathakali. Kathakali is a famous traditional dance of Kerala. It is performed by selecting themes from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavata. This is a dance performed only by men. The students begin to learn this dance from their 7th year and practice it for 7 years. In this dance, there are 3 types of characters, namely Satvika, Rajasika and Tamsika. Women's role is very popular in this dance. Mohiniyattam. This is another traditional classical dance of Kerala. Elegance is a main feature of this dance. Only women perform this dance. The word Mohini impels dazzling beauty. Sholkattu and Pandatam are its main items. Kuchipudi. This dance owes its origin to the Brahmins of Kuchipudi, a village in Andhra Pradesh. It developed as a dance drama from the 15th century. Bhamakalapam and Prahalada Charitram are some of the popular dance dramas of Kuchipudi. In recent times, even women have begun to learn this and have started giving solo performances. Kathak. Kathak is a famous classical dance of North India. Those who narrated mythological stories were called Kathakas. Kathakas were even dancing while narrating the stories, thus the name Kathak originated. This dance was very popular during the period of the Mughals. In this dance form, there are two main gharanas, namely Jaipur and Lucknow. Amad, That, Thoda, Paran, Ghat-bhav, Ardh-bhav and so on are the important items of this dance. Manipuri. This dance dates back to the 2nd century. This is a classical dance of Manipur as well as India. Ras dance is the main part of this dance. Theme of this dance is Krishna Leela. Vritras, Vasantras, Kunjras, Maharas are its main dress dances. Men perform Pung Cholam and Karthal Cholan. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore gave a new life to this dance. Since then, it is very popular all over the world. Odissi. This is a classical dance of Orissa. According to the Rani Ghumpa inscription, the history of this dance goes back to the 3rd century BC. There are many dance sculptures pertaining to this dance in Bhubaneswar and Konark temples. Bhumi Pranam, Bhuttu Nritya, Swarna Pallavi and Sahabhinaya are its main dance items. Namastrailokyam nirmanam khavye sambhave yashah pratikshanam jagannatyam prayogi rasiko janah.